How are you? I'm Anita, your host for this session. This is the wheel. We like to call him Bob, or at least I like to call him Bob. I don't know if anyone else has a name for him. She could be her, Sally. That could be it. I don't know. It's a wheel. In Latvian, wheel is male because we have genders for like nouns. Because why not? And the wheel has a 25x on 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7! Yay! There we go. Let the robot do that thing again. Bum, 25x multiplier. Let's go. How about it? 2,500x highest. Everything else is 25 times bigger. So the lowest is 3 times 25. 75x is the lowest you can get. Pick a spot. And we'll still have the double area too. So we start from the bottom. Moving to the center, but kind of on the right side. The thousands, the 1,250s, the 2. There's 2! There's 2 with 2,500x. Okay, in the double area, what on earth are you gonna multiply? In the corner, so we've got some more 1,750, 500. You're welcome. On my feet. And his will to survive. 1,555 winners. 54 of you got 2,500x. Did we just set a record? Vincent, our Sonic Grumpy Face among the winners. Love Eye of the Tiger. That was a lot. Yes, hit the